Next command we are going to see is drop. So what is the purpose of drop command? Drop command is used to delete a database or table. So here if we want to delete a database or table, we can use the drop command. So what is the syntax of drop command? Drop database, database name. If you want to delete a table, what is the syntax? Drop table, table name. Before deleting the entire table, it must be an empty table. That's what you have to note while using the drop command. While if you are using the drop command for deleting the table, what you must be keep on mind, before deleting the table must be empty. So first we have to delete all the records in the table, then only we can delete the table with the help of drop command. So before seeing that example for the drop command, we are moving to truncate. So here what is truncate? Truncate is also a command which is used to delete all the table records. So entire records in the table got deleted with the help of truncate command. After deleting the records, the structure remains. Like this empty table, the structure remains. The structure of the table remains. Even we are deleting the records, the structure remains. So to delete the structure only, we are using the drop command. So before using the drop command, we must delete all the table records with the help of truncate command. So what is the syntax of truncate command? Truncate table, table name. Truncate table, table name. So if we are using the biodata table, no. So truncate table biodata. So after executing this command, the table biodata get removed and the space is also freed, but the structure of the table remains in the database. The entire record get deleted, but the structure remains. If we want to delete the structure also, we won't need the database itself again. We don't need the table itself now. We have to use the drop command to delete the entire structure of the table. So you see here, once the table get deleted, we can't get it back. So we cannot get back the structure now. We have to delete the entire table structure, including the structure from the memory. Now we have to use what command? Drop command. So what is the syntax of drop command? Drop database, database name, or drop table. So here if you want to delete the biodata table, means what you have to do? Drop table biodata. Biodata. After executing the command, the entire structure of the table also get deleted. So before, if we need the structure of the table now, we must use only the truncate command to delete all the records. You should not use the drop command. Okay, next, these are all the DDL commands you have studied. What are the DDL commands? Once again, I am recalling what are the DDL commands which are used to define the structure of the database. And what are the commands? Create, alter, drop. Create means used to create a database or table. Alter means which is used to change the structure of the database. We can add a new column or we can modify the entire column data type. And then here drop is used to delete a table or database. Truncate is used to delete all the records in the database. And here rename is used to change the name of the column. Okay, next we are going to see DQL. So what is DQL? DQL means data query language. Only the select command is used to fetch or retrieve the data from the database or tables. So entire table, if you want to get the particular records now, we must use select command, and this command comes under the category DQL. So what is the syntax of the select command? Select column names and then from table name. So for example here, select name, city. In our biodata table we are having 5 columns: name, age, gender, city, address. But here only 2 columns I asked them to list. Suppose in the previous example, we have just added two records, XXX and YYY with the values, right? So if you want to list only name and city alone, say for example, here Madurai, and then ZZ, it is 18, female, which is in Coimbatore. If I specified the command select name, comma city from, what is the table name? Biodata. If I list now, what is the output of this after executing the command? What is the output of this? Only the name. So output is name and city alone get displayed with XXX, Theni, YYY, Madurai, ZZZ, Coimbatore. So this is the output of this command, previous command. What is the command? Select name and city from biodata. So now you can understand. This is a command which is used to display the particular column. If we specify here select star or asterisk, which is used to display all the records with all columns. So we are having 5 columns and 5 records now. Its entire record in the table get displayed on the screen after executing this query. So here select command, select star from biodata, which is used to display all the records in the table, which is used to display all records in the table. Select star from biodata. So select command comes under the category data query language. Next heading we are going to see is data manipulation language. So what is manipulation? Already I have told. So we are going to perform some operations on the data, and it is said to be in manipulation of data. So what are the operations here we are performing? Insert, from the name itself what we can, to insert a data, that is insert a row into the table. That is what we had to learn in previous classes. And then next update we are going to learn new, and then delete command. Delete command, from the name itself you can know it is used to delete a particular record from the table. And what is here we are going to see update. So what is the purpose of update command? Update, from the name it is used to update, change. It is used to change the existing data in with the new data. So it is syntax of, what is the syntax of update command? Update, table name, set, column name, new value, column name, new value, where some condition. So what we are going to do? Already there are some records. With the same records you are going to modify the values. So already what is our table? So what is our table? We are having 5 columns. So what are the columns? Name, age, gender, city, address. So here name is XXX, and then age is 17, gender is male, city, Theni we put, main road or what else. Then YYY, 18, male, Madurai, here any road, Kambam road or what else. Then here ZZZ, 17, female, here Coimbatore, North Street, we can put North Street. So these are the address, this is our table. So what we are going to do in this table, we are going to change the name for the particular record, or we are going to modify the data for the particular record. For example, the second record we are going to change the age. So how we can specify? Normally in words how we can say? Second row, but we can't specify here. How we can specify? The city name Madurai, the record which has the city name Madurai, change the age into 18. Or the record which has the name YYY, you can change the name into 18. So here we need some other condition. By specifying the other column value, we can change the particular column. So that is what we are going to do here. What we are going to do? Update. What we are going to change or what we are going to update? Biodata table. So update biodata. Update biodata. Set. What we are going to set? So we are going to specify the new value. So எப்படி set பண்ண போறோம்? Age equal to 17. We are going to set age equal to 17. For which row? Where name equal to YYY. Are you able to follow? So here where the record is having the name value YYY, change the age value into 17. So after executing this command, the table value get changed into 17. Okay. So are you able to follow the update command? What is the syntax of update command? Update table name, set a new column with new value. Where is a class which is used to specify the condition. According to the condition, some records are selected and the changes got applied. So here what is the function of where command or where class? What is the purpose of where class? In your book, the where class also comes. So listen carefully. So where is a class which is used to specify the particular condition or particular condition based on the data are received or modified as per the query. So if we want to select a particular record, now we must specify some condition. According to the condition, some records are derived and the changes are performed. Okay, next topic we are going to see is delete. So what is the purpose of delete command? Which is used to delete the record or particular record or existing record in the table. So it is used to delete existing record in the table. So here delete syntax is delete. Here asterisk na it specify all the row, all the column. So entire row, entire column we are specifying asterisk. So delete asterisk from biodata. So after executing this command, what will happen? All the records are got deleted. If you want to delete a particular record alone, what we have to do? Delete. Then we have to specify the column or record. If you want to specify, see here, delete, no need to put the asterisk, delete from biodata, where we can specify the condition. So example, name equal to ZZZ. So what will happen after executing this command? In our table, the ZZ row alone get disappeared or deleted. Only these two rows are get executed and the third row got deleted. So how will you delete the row? By specifying the delete command. So delete from table name where name equal to ZZZ. The unique column we have to specify. Suppose here we can't specify age equal to 17. If we specify age equal to 17, now what will happen? All the records are having the same value. So entire record get deleted. All the three records get deleted while we are specifying age equal to 17. Okay. In your book, they had given one example. You can see here. So here you can see this is our table for, with 4 records. Krishna, S. Krishna, age is 10, Sugal 14, Arun 15, Mani 18. So here what they had given, delete from biodata where first name equal to Mani. So what record get alone get this deleted? What record alone get deleted? Within that 4 records, the Mani record alone get deleted. So after executing the delete command, after executing the last delete command, last delete command, the output will be like this, only with 3 rows or 3 records. Money record got deleted. Okay, you can see here what they had given here. Delete from biodata. So what is after executing this command, what will happen? Entire records in the table get deleted. So only the structure alone remains.